Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Landing date 18 February 2021. Timing is 22:55 UTC. And launching date 30 July 2020. This is the first video of a Mars helicopter Ingenuity posted by NASA on 19 April 2021. An image is captured by the Ingenuity Mars helicopter show the vehicle shadow on the surface of the red planet. Do you know 5 things about Mars helicopter? First thing about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Ingenuity is a flight test. Ingenuity is what is known as technology demonstration, a project that seeks to test a new capability for the first time. With a limited scope, previous groundbreaking technology and demonstration include the Mars Pathfinder and robot Sojourner and the tiny Mars Rover or a Mercury cubes at that a fly by Mars in 2018. Second things about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Ingenuity will be the first aircraft attempt control flight to another planet. The Mars atmosphere is 99% less than the Earth. Ingenuity has to be light with the two blade that the much larger than the spin much faster than would be required for the helicopter Ingenuity much one Earth. It can also be bone chilly less than the zero crater where the perspective ran billion and with Ingenuity attached to be Billy in February 2021 night the dip to wind to minus 133 degree Fahrenheit minus 90 degree Celsius. While Ingenuity temperature has been tested helicopter to the maritime temperature and be ballistic beat is to be work on Mars and the cold will be push the design limited many of Ingenuity as parts. Third, things about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Ingenuity is a fitting name for a robot that is the result for extreme creativity. Three things about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. The ingenuity and the brilliance of people working hard to overcome the challenge of interplanetary travels are what allow of experience the wonder of space exploration. Rupani wrote, ingenuity is what allow people to accomplish amazing things. Four things about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. Ingenuity has already demonstrated feats of engineering. In careful step from 2014 to 19, and engineers at JPL demonstrated that it was possible to build an aircraft that was lightweight, able to generate enough lift in Mars, things atmosphere and capable to surviving in Mars. Like environment, they tested a progressively more and advanced model in space simulator in JPL. In January 2019, the actual helicopter that is riding with preserved to The red planet passed in final flight, evolution failing, and one of the smile stone would be grounded the experiment. 5 things about Mars helicopter Ingenuity. The Ingenuity team will count success one step at a time. Surviving the launch from Cape Canaveral, the crew set on Mars and landing on the red planet, carefully deploying the surface from Perseverance belly, autonomously keeping and warm through the intensely cold Martian nights, autonomously and charging itself with its solar panel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.